Nissan Altima fuse box car won't get in no light on the dash, no ignition. You gotta change this fuse box. Look, fuse box is bad. See that? Should burn right out. It's all the stuff that burn up. That's it. And this is the other fuse box. You gotta change this fuse box under the dash. You gotta take out this. This is the cluster. Take out the cluster. Hold up. I hate when I'm making video and everybody disturbing me. I can't. I just can't sometimes. So this is the cluster. Remove the cluster out. Once you remove the cluster, you're gonna see the fuse box right here. This is the fuse box. And there's one right here. These are the 3 fuse boxes. You gotta change this one, change that. But whenever you change the fuse box, you gotta get the car reprogrammed. So you gotta be smart doing this. So those are the steps. It's not the key module is the problem. You change the box, it's not, that's the problem. Gotta change this. Most times you just change everything. Just change this and this. Once you change all of that, you're good to go.